Mark hinge positions with clear, measured marks before repositioning to prevent crooked hinges and misaligned doors. Start by determining the exact shift needed and measure the distance using a ruler, noting measurements in pencil on both the door and the frame, so you have matching reference points. Use a sharp pencil for initial marks and then scribe a thin, visible outline with a marking knife or utility knife where the hinge leaf will sit. The knife creates a cut line that resists chipping when you chisel. When you need to remove wood, transfer the hinge outline to the wood surface and use a center punch or awl to mark pilot screw locations. So, screws start exactly where intended and do not walk. If the move is more than a couple of millimeters, consider making a small shim or packer to support the new hinge depth and trace its edges so the hinge leaf sits flush. For repetitive or complex jobs, use a simple cardboard or thin plywood template cut to the hinge profile to register multiple hinges consistently on pairs of doors. Keep the working area clean and check alignment by loosely installing the hinge screws, closing the door, and adjusting before final tightening. The three most common mistakes are relying only on freehand pencil marks which can shift while chiseling, not marking pilot screw centers, and having screws split the wood or shift the hinge, and failing to check the depth so the hinge leaf is proud or sunken, causing binding. If you only use pencil marks, reinforce them with a scribe line so the chisel follows the exact outline. To avoid screw splitting or movement, mark centers with an awl and drill small pilot holes sized to the screw root before driving screws. If hinge depth is wrong, test fit with one screw, close the door to assess binding, and add or remove a thin shim under the hinge leaf until the door operates smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors by making it easier to post projects and get responses from professionals in our area. We also help contractors find work and discuss techniques and tools in our active discussion community where we share tips and ask questions.